What's up guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine. Today in this video we will explore some quick key properties of object that I have explored today. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see my screen, currently Google bar is opened here, as you can see. Now let's open the console right here. Okay, let me just open it here, right here, and for the sake of good user experience, let me just zoom it so that you all guys can see properly. So what I learned today about objects in JavaScript is that objects can take any data type of keys. Okay, when we create object, okay, let's say object equal, and it's a reserved word, so let's say random object equal to, and when we create object like this, so you might be familiar with assigning keys like this and giving it some name, right? This is my name, by the way. Now like this we can give more keys, right? So like this, you might all be familiar with this type of declaration of keys. But today what I found out is that we can also have object keys in different data type format. Like currently this is in string format. Okay, under the hood all keys are converted into string. So here we can also have type number, so like we can have this number type of key, and we can have value like something, and as you can see here, it's an key which has number, right? Similarly, what we can have is string number, then we can have array like this and have some values can be of any data type. Okay, values can be of type string, number, array, boolean, object, anything, any sort of values. But as we can see in this video, we are exploring how keys can have data types, different data types in terms of user experience. What we see is important here. Like then we can have here some array value, and okay, so we get unexpected token here. Okay, so it might be that we have to give some key here, like array key, and then when we see we have this array key as a string format. Okay, it gets converted directly, and then finally we can have object. Okay, like this we can have object and have its value. Now again it might throw error. Yes, I was confident about this. It might throw us error. Okay, because I have to first define it here like this, saying name, some name, and then it is already declared. So let me use obj2 and then use it in our random object obj2, right? And now as you can see we have this obj2, right? As you can see. So this is how we can have various types of keys present, and since JavaScript is accepting any type in object, not just in keys, not just in values, but also in keys, that this was the goal of this video, to understand how JavaScript is readily taking dynamic data type keys and also the values. That's it from my side. Thank you very much.